Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Good example of a gorgeous 1928 Ford pickup. Little roadster, nicely chrome bumpers, the ornament, the grill. Yes. Very nice headlights. It's got the 14-inch wheels, hand-painted stripes, as you can tell. The tailgate opens. Nice little louvers. This is hand-painted. This over the top. Let me open this. It's the best part, the interior. Carpet door. Everything nicely done.
Now that's for the electric fan. It's the other one.
Okay.
Watch out. This is.
Here's a tailgate opening it up. Which is pretty cool. It's got a little storage there. It goes right down. The horn works. It's got a nice Grant steering wheel. Oh my gosh, this is just very nice. It's got the nice gauges also.